Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can take a birdshot photo in Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. So in the first step, let's open the camera app. Now click on the settings icon and select swipe shutter button to Edge 2. Now choose the take birdshot. Go back to the camera and hold the shutter button, then swipe it to the right side. We took 9 photos, and if you want to pick the best one, open it in gallery, click on this little icon and select your best shots. After that, just click on the save icon and choose that you want to delete unselected photos or not. Click on the save button, and this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.